so melee, hello guys and welcome to another episode of Reacting to Rock Legends with this Julie, reacting and analyzing and giving our opinion on rock legends. Yes, because I love vintage, so I mostly react to rock legends and vintage stuff. Anyways guys, straight to the point. Today I'm reacting to British band from Newcastle, The Animals. I love how bands from the 60s had names such as The Animals, The Beatles, The Zombies, The Rolling Stones, The Who, like these names like The Monkees. I don't know, you name them in the comment section box down below so I will react to them. Anyway, straight to the point. Actually, let me get my glasses so I can read properly. Today I'm reacting to The Animals, The House of the Rising Sun, 1964, high quality. I know this tune, I sort of know this tune. I reacted to the cover that Five Finger Death Punch did of this tune. Death or Dead? Five Finger Death Punch, I think that's the name of the band. Don't hate me please, sometimes there's so many names that they get all mixed up in your head, you know what I mean? I just can't remember the song, you know what I mean? Like, I know that song, I know that as soon as I listen to it I will probably recognize it quite well, but I'm like somewhere there, like I know it but I don't. So that means we can react to it. We can do this together right now. Headphones on and let's do it. Yeah, I know that riff. I know that riff.
There is a house in New Orleans they call the Rising Sun.
Yeah, this tune, man. Look at that bass.
My mother was a tailor. She sewed my new blue jeans. My father was a gambling man down in New Orleans.
People back in the day used to sing with so much passion and personality, you know? That's not a keyboard, I know, but I forgot the name once again. But it sounds sick. Sounds sick.
Tell your children
How he holds the drumstick.
not to do what I have done. Spend your lives in sin and misery in the house of the rising sun.
Once again, I need to know the name of that instrument.
To New Orleans, to where
want that bass guitar, I want one like that. So much attitude, you know? Sounds sick. So the way they stand in the composition there, that was sick. That was absolutely sick. People back in the day used to have so much attitude, so much personality, so much authenticity in their voice and in the music in general. The vocals were so unique back in the day. I think like this style of singing, sort of like with a bit of like screaming, comes a bit from, well, actually a lot from like blues. So yeah, I can see that blues influence here. But like overall, I like music back in the day, and I'm gonna sound a bit snobbish, maybe that's not my intention. But music back in the day used to be so rich, so unique. Now I feel like, just unpopular opinion, I mean, of course you have these like in all eras, but I feel like back in the day there were more artists trying to be different, or not trying to be different, just being different, just being, not trying to be, trying is not the word, being different, just being is the word. Like there were so many people just being themselves and expressing themselves in a different way, I think. Feeling the music the way it was felt by them as musicians, you know. I feel like there's a bit of lack of that. I don't know, because I don't know actually if there aren't any people doing that nowadays, or it's just that they're not getting, you know, the promotion, the publicity, you know what I mean? Because there might be amazing indie bands out there, or rock bands and such out there, but we don't know of because, well, you know, they don't get that exposure. But anyways, talking about the Monkees, I love his passion, I love his voice, you know what I mean? It's so powerful, so strong. He has so much personality, so much attitude, you know it's him, and it sounds somewhat like subtle and angry at the same time. It's just amazing. And also the instruments, I love the riff, the song in general, the instruments sound epic. It's like it has all this like fast little fast riff tempos. I don't know how to explain it. It just sounds like it keeps you like engaged. It's that momentum, like what's going on, something epic is about to happen, you know what I mean? It just keeps you there, like that momentum, that emotion keeps you engaged. I love the drums, by the way. The way he was holding the drumsticks, I was like, that's quite interesting, the way he holds the way he holds the drumstick. That bass guitar, I want one like that. I need that bass guitar in my life. I wonder if they do them left-handed. I'm going to do some research. If you guys know the name of that bass guitar, or any bass guitars like that model, let me know in the comment section box down below. And if they do them left-handed, if you have any links, send them my way, please. Need to save up some money and get a bass guitar like that. It's just so epic. And one more thing I wanted to say is this keyboard. I know it's not a keyboard, don't get me wrong, I already know that. I just can't seem to be able to register the name of the music instrument in my head, you know what I mean? I know it's not a keyboard, but I keep calling it keyboard because it looks like a keyboard. So if you guys remind me of the name of the instrument. Anyways, it sounds absolutely sick. And I feel like that particular instrument gives that signature sound of the era to the music from the 60s and 70s, you know what I mean? It's that instrument, that instrument, you know, that you know a song is from the 60s or 70s because it has that keyboard looking instrument. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. I absolutely enjoy this tune. I'm glad I actually sat down for once and listened to it properly and, you know, analyze it and enjoyed this tune properly, technically speaking, in general. Epic and The Animals. I reacted to another one of the tunes before during one of my live streams. That reaction is somewhere in the channel, but I must say that this one is a masterpiece. So guys, if you have any other tunes by The Animals or any other bands from preferably the 60s, 50s, 70s, or any artists from those eras that you'd like me to react to, let me know in the comment section box down below. And that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time for another episode of Reacting to Rock Legends. Bye bye.